seek lessons, yeah? Seek the lessons in whatever it is, right? And there is an art in seeing them and becoming more aware. Create a sensory acuity around that. A sensory acuity means you pick it up a lot quicker, a lot more sharply, with a lot more awareness. You can hone into it easily, effortlessly. You just know, yeah? If any of you guys have hung around very successful business people, right, that are very shrewd in their area, if you sat around with them and they're talking business, you see how they just take a conversation and they go straight to the point, right? Very quickly. And you just think, shit, this person is a master at that, because they can just narrow something down that was as wide as this. How can you become good at doing that? Cultivating your sensory acuity around that, whatever it is relative to you, yeah?